Hello everyone, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour of our Thompson suite with the ocean view here at the Cape Thompson in Los Cabos. So this room has 1.5 bath and a separate living room and a bedroom. So here is first bathroom by the entrance door, and we have a big living room that's separate from the bedroom. We got TV and an espresso machine. Also have a mini bar over there that you could purchase. The prices are, I believe, is on a QR code that you can scan and on TV, or I think there's a QR code somewhere. But here's our bed or our bedroom. And we have the shower, bathtub, also have another bathroom there, and we have our couples or two separate sinks so that you don't fight with your significant other. And we also have a closet that comes with umbrella, 2 bathrobes. Also have a safety deposit box here and a couple drawers where you could store your things. And I'm gonna show you our view from my room. So we have this swing couch or whatever they call it. We have a pool there, the beach, and you can see the arc from your balcony as well. So there's a door that goes out from your living room, and there's another door here. Oh, I guess I locked it. That's it.